Good day and welcome back, my beautiful people. Don't know we're on the seaside today, guys. Yes, man. So me, Bush, and Scammer there, is it? Me know if nobody else can join. So Bush there, so chop up some fire stick, you know.
So people some firewood, man.
Some firewood, you know. So what we are gonna do now, peeps?
Would look like.
We are curry some chicken back, right? Yeah, man. Curry some chicken back. We have some Indian curry right aside, you know. Real authentic Indian curry. We have the season from Auntie, you know. Yeah, man. We have to look at ice in the igloo, yeah. We have set out a one net out there. Yeah, man. We have look at ice and look at petrol in the igloo, yeah. We have fire side there, so. You see me? Yeah, man. Big up to Chris Free, you see? We have some Pepsi. We have water, drinking water. And you don't know. All courtesy the shed, all courtesy of Chris Free, you see me? The bush cousin. So, peeps, anyway, we're now born out. So, we're outside, you see me? Can't go showing up on the seafront and showing which part we have a thing there. Eh? Oh, what that? Come. Outside though, you know? Yeah, man, babes. So, you don't say those boo boo jive come down here, you know? Yeah, man. So, the tide that run out. So, that right hand now, like set the net under the mangrove. And near the mangrove, guys, breeze kind of dip on the sea. So, you know, say we won't go out further, like out in the sea, too far. Yeah, man. So, we want to stay as close. So, land. So, anyway, both a turn over. So, what we are going to do? What's that? Sliding. Oh yeah, I'll probably get this bail out, peeps, and jump out the net out there. Just snooker flip that side there. Jump out the net on the mangrove side, go up until the net done, just make it go and soak, and they will take off for the pan, you see me? So until then, stay tuned. We're outside. You're riding shotgun, my peeps. Remember, like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to watch the ads. People, if you don't want to come on a trip, just link up. You see me? Link up. And make me know what I go on. You see me? Number in my bio. So just go in my bio or in the description. Or you know, and you see what I go on. And we outside like all the time, as you can see. You see me? Yeah, man. So they're great. Wild thing there, eh? Alright. Yeah, man, babe. So bush them want something with a car. So get film. Yeah, man. So we just go on freestyle, peeps. I just everyday living this, you see me? Just go on freestyle. I know make it, yeah, everyday thing just to entertain you guys. Yes, man. So, see now? Really? Hey, grandma, girl. Eh? Man, chop some brew. Man, chop brew with a sweet peach. So anyway, I'm gonna chop up a chicken mac now. Get them cut up, put on food pan fire and show them what I go on, and then we'll jump out in it. Yes, man, my peeps, so the great scammer in the building now. So anyway, guys, in there I cut up some season. I'm showing what I go on.
Cut it up on this.
Yeah, man, just cut it up on it. Make it everything bunja down now one. Yeah, and peeps, go over to scammer channel, you see me? Tropical Hunter. Remember, like, share, subscribe. I'm gonna leave him link down in my description. So you have a video for post. You see me? Today I have a video for post, so check it out. And remember, like, share, subscribe, bring him to 1,000 followers quick and fast. You see me? Yeah, man, I like it, man. I'm from Jamaica Adventures, you know. Yeah, man, you don't know the great fish bush. So create film channel. Fish bush is the name, you know. What you say? Fish bush. Ay! Oo. How many years since I haven't been got it? Masih baru ya bos. Yes, mama peeps are the great. Push we are, don't back down so don't. Just use the back of your boat to navigate down there, man. Oh yeah, come on, 5 girl. Oh yeah, let's jump over down there. Oh okay. Yeah, mama peeps. So go on. Great bush, great camera there, say, you know. Great tropical hunter. Yeah, man, that's our new tropical hunter in the beats. Remember, we are pushing channel. So remember, like, share, subscribe. You are gonna see whole heap of big YouTube. I'm gonna tell you the same thing. You see me? So let's do the honors from now. See him? Yes, man. You unpack it? I'm supposed to unpack it better, you know. Jump up sana bos. Push it, right side. Alright, balance. Yes, man, peeps. So I go on? Yeah, let go one there, so. Kill the brim them over there, so. Yeah, man. Some people so they we can argue like a fight, you know, so get an engine to sell, you see me? Yeah man, if you all know if a small engine itself, about 15 scam or 10 no? 15 or 10 guys, cause our boat we have a boat for self, you know, we have a license and thing. Yeah man, this is one of our friends and boat well licensed and thing. So just make a one set near the mangrove system, guys. You can see so within here and same way. So right the water as well, if you come off from it, cover you know, reach the problem up your neck, you know. I will join it now, all of them places of people shit back around so. Be a crocodile in the water, you know, but we're not afraid, you know. Yeah, so we're on the tropical hunter, we're outside. So I go on. Yes man. Great bush down this on top of the net, guys. Line up bush channel feet. Don't know, fish bush. Fish bush? Yes man. I don't know, getting you know, but a fish bush. Fish? Catching fish? A fish with there catch now. You see me? We need to swim around and thing there. Fish. That you can't get, you know? There's only two gender. You see me? Yes man. That is it. My peeps, I was just jump out in it. Come on, watch how you step down and say that. That sound like it a crack. I net? Yeah man, so look how I go on. It's the first fish there, my peeps. First fish, you know? Great tropics hunter. As me I tell you about him, guys. That is it, man. Show him up. Pass the beer again, boss. Eh?
This is one more.
One more day? Yes, my peeps, say first fish, you know? The one the great tropics hunter out there. So I go on, nice dark tooth, to point teeth them. Oh, smile and show people my teeth. Vampire teeth, you have, you know?
Show your finger in there, man.
No, you did not. What me touch me like? What me touch me like?
No fish no roaster.
What me touch me like?
You see that cap there, man?
Yeah, you have put it right, it's okay, right? Fred.
You ever eat the red tongue one?
Yes, man. Peeps, so great. Tropical hunter. Don't miss him now. Come on, man. Tap him. Straight to him. No, man. Alright, you can get it now. Just take him up. You don't have to do nothing more than take him up. You don't have to do nothing more than take him up. You don't have to ease up. Just ease up his spear, man. He can't come off. Tropical hunter. He can't come off. Alright, side way. Nice, my peeps. See, swag, man. Come up, you know. Yeah, man. See, tie that job now, you know.
I don't want to bite me.
Yeah, it looks nice. Meal one that does, come on. See what going, peeps? Give peeps a closer look there. Yeah, man. See it? That is it, man. Tropical hunter. That is it. Come put it here, bush. Yes, my peeps. So yeah, check out the pattern now and see what going in there, you know. Yeah, man. See what going? Yeah, man. So we do it, you know. Clean down a little bit more. Now we're not cook to all that gravy with that pattern of peas. That was fully nice and we're not peas. What you say, Busha? Yeah, man, peeps. So we'll jump out the net as the Busha says. You see me? That's why we don't cook it. But we are full up a belly to go back for the net in the car. Yes, man, peeps. So watch the fire. Watch the man in the fire and foot. A fire there too in the seat.
That's very cool.
That's me, you relax that. That's very cool. Eh?
Cool, man.
You sprinkle gravy on bush food there, you need too much gravy. Yeah, that good. Bush, come in. Grab a spoon and go work some food.
Come carbonation.
Any carbonation? Great fish bush, you know? Tips, so this is my food, you know?
I mean, I engine now, so I eat no
We say engine, you have to gas up.
Oh.
Yes, man, peace, so the great tropics under, you know? Where's I going for food?
That one.
Pepper nice though. Yeah.
Fully outside.
Yes, that is it, man. Remember, guys, go over to his channel and he's new. Like, share, subscribe. And watch ya. Yeah, mush up my food now, but see great bush. Watch out. Fish bush, guys. You don't know who start bush channel, guys. Fish bush. You know? I don't know feminine man out of the way, but you know, we can't get up.
Hard working man, eat out and sit here.
Yeah.
Lazy man, eat out and get a bit.
Tell them how you do, bush. Tell them how you do, man. Tell them say chuck they have a bulldozer you have to operate.
Yeah, man, them sitting there jerk, man, you have to eat sitting like them and water.
Yeah, I eat out of them big plate, isn't it, peeps?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, that is it. Oh, that was the Titanic. Peeps? Eh? Titanic? Yeah, man, peeps. So we are out there. Let's take up in the now. I saw a kitchen. Oh, there can you for water. Go so bush. Go so. Go to your what you call it now? Your left. My right and your left now. Go to your left. Ah, captain. All captains, my captain. Yes, my peeps. Oh God. Oh, your phone. Yes, man, peeps. So we are go for the back there now. Oh, Jiffy, other side, man. Balance the boat. Balance the boat.
Balance
Yeah, man, peeps. So you don't know. I see you with this. So you know, for work, I see you have to work accurate, you know. Can't work piece. So we have to just hold on and look at footage we get kind of engine boat to the panel, you know, by the engine yet, peeps. So that's how this works we have. And show no catches, see me? See it's surrounding there? See surrounding? Yeah. Eh? See the buckle there? The buckle there, the floating, guys. So we are drop on the end there, straight over so. I don't know if you can see one over there, I think so. Yeah, so anyway, boat are full of power and I have to build it out now. Hey, so everyone? Yeah, man, and afar I see you there, as you say, you know. We have lights and things, peeps, so don't worry yourself, you see me? Yes, man, we peeps, so it's a process of drying net, you know. So everyone?
Yeah, man, you should have put open.
I go. Oi. Circle. Don't too shake, you know. Cause me was me have a phone for me, so the phone I got John.
Better you join ko dami phone.
Oi phone I got John.
Yeah. Wally Mac.
Wall him. Oh that. Jack.
Give me to it now.
Don't get right now. Nice peeps. Jack. Take him up bush and show him down sir. Take time. Take your time. I don't can't take him up. Jack peeps. Oh man. Where do? Oh where do? Oh where do peeps? Just show him back here man. Just jump him back here.
Jack.
How in there? Jack. Take your time and jump it.
Yeah, body photo up here.
Kita memang jawab net the peeps. So let's go on, no?
La Colombia earlier morning.
Oh.
La Colombia earlier morning go make a man take me.
Yo, then it's like full of hole man.
Full of oil, man. That's how I get on.
Oh, catch a leaf.
Don't go full bar speed.
So what that so? What that gun so? Ain't it? You boss up man.
I'll enjoy it. Full of oil, man. What man catch fishing?
Yeah, sir.
Peeps, then it's a full of hole. So watch what I go on still. Just stay tuned peeps. Like, share, subscribe, remember. Now I'm bored and out, you know, that's why I show. Ah, nice, snapper. Take him out. Take him out. Show him back here there. Nice. Look at how make a next set man. Isn't it look good?
It's a Titanic.
A roll.
A roll, you know. You feel alright still? Yo, I want to do there.
Yeah,
Jack. Nice, and stiff one. Ano Jack lat? Ang makilat. Show him back here.
A young Jack.
A young Jack? Ano Jack that one?
A young Jack. Yellow tail.
Yellow tail? Show him. Ano Jack that mate? Oh boy, ni sekarang. Ano Jack that one?
Oh, that is.
Makil. Yes, my peeps, so breeze can pick up and on, but a sea breeze are blow, so you know, so them breeze I can't sweep over the sea, you see me? So the more of push got land, you see me? But we are join the net and show what I go on, you know? Yeah, man.
The road.
It's a good distance. You have to go in about one. Ah, say one fish, eh? What that? Oh?
King Julian.
King Julian?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, whitening?
Snapper.
Snapper? Take him out. I wish I them snapper that we catch time right ever. Eh. Them snapper here traveling in fresh water. Yes, my peeps. One. Yeah, load up, you know? Take your time. So as you can catch.
You want crab load?
Na crab? Up more the crab in one. So Jack fish. So we don't bite our fish man. What eh? So we don't bite our fish man. Crab, see a crab, see crab.
Yeah, King Julian man.
Crab peeps. So anyway guys, we are showing the catch of the day, see me? We'll go and join net and now come we'll steer the boat and thing. So you know it goes, see me? Yeah but we have them already. We are load up a couple more. You see me? Yes my peeps, so we catch a whole heap, you know, but we can have a local catch, you know. I'm not too big either, but I can stop a gap, you know. This is about 3 days dinner or 2 days dinner. Crab and stuff can curry 1 day. A set of fish stuff can cook down for 1 day. A set of fish stuff can cook down for another day. So we have about 3 days dinner recipes if you really want it, you know. Yeah man, you don't look too bad, you know. That is it man.